How to share a playlist on Spotify. So if you want to invite others to watch or to listen to a playlist that you like or you have, it is pretty much simple to do it on Spotify. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, now you can either share a public playlist, an album, or even a private playlist. First, let me show you how you can share a playlist that you created on Spotify. The first thing you need to do is to go to your library here and then identify the playlist that you want to share. For instance, I want to share this playlist. Tap on it and then you will see all the songs that are under this playlist. To share this playlist, it is quite simple. Just head over to this share icon here, or you can as well tap on these three dots here and then scroll down until you see share. So if you tap on this share, now you'll have several platforms or several options that you can share. You can proceed here or maybe share it to WhatsApp, Messenger, or even just copy the link and share it to your friends. And by doing so, they will receive all the songs that are on this playlist. Now, in the second method, you might want to go ahead and share one of these albums that are available here. And to do that, it is also quite simple. Just go ahead and tap on the album or on the playlist that you want to share. For instance, if I tap on this, you can see it has quite a number of songs. So to share all these songs that are under this playlist or this album, just proceed and tap on these three dots here. And then also look for the option called share. If I go ahead and tap on it, I'll also have the same option to go ahead and share with friends and family. So that's how you share a playlist or an album with your friends on Spotify. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.